Hi guys, this is my Honda CRF250L old generation, and today I will replace my broken rear turn signal. So the right turn signal was replaced already and looks clear, but left one is smoked, as you can see. First of all, you have to unscrew the 4 bolts on the bottom of the tail. Also, my left turn signal was cracked, so it definitely needs to be replaced to get the bike ready for the new season. This is a new turn signal that I bought, and we will need to modify these connectors. You will see that it is not difficult and why it is needed. Now you can find the Amazon link below the video and buy this turn signal for your Honda CRF 250L or 300L. And this is my old turn signal, which I have already replaced. I'll keep that reflector and bulb just in case. Simply unscrew the bolts on the lower part of the tail of the motorcycle and remove this part along with the license plate. Unscrew the bolt on the back side of the turn signal. Also, unscrew the lower bolts that hold the rear brake signal. Then unscrew the central bolt that also holds the rear brake signal. Next, you need to be very delicate so as not to break something. I really didn't want to remove the canister tail holder and the tail of the motorcycle to easily remove this part, so just follow the video and do the same. It is not so difficult, and you just need to remove the right part with wave-like movements and then simply disconnect the left part of the rear stop signal. Then you need to disconnect the connector of your broken turn signal and remove the insulating tape. Then you need to disconnect the wires from the connector. It is not difficult to do, but you need to be careful. You need to bend the thin holders up and then pull the wires out of the connector. I recommend that you try to do this on your old turn signal first so as not to damage the connector. And also remember which side you have the wires connected to, namely the left and right sides, because they are different. Just remember the color and the side. Then remove wires into the hole of your turn signal. Do the same to your connector on the old turn signal if you haven't done it before. Simply pull the wires out of the hole and remove your old turn signal. Insert the wires of the new turn signal into the hole and do not forget to tighten the bolt that holds the turn signal in place. Also put the connector on the wires, lock the holders, and check whether the wires are tight in the connector. Next, I recommend tying insulating tape to the wires. I ran out of black electrical tape, but it doesn't matter since these wires will be hidden and covered. Also, you can see that I removed the rear brake signal. It is not necessary to do this. I just needed to replace it with a new one too. And you can see a video on replacing the rear brake signal on my channel. And do not forget to connect the connectors. Now you need to collect all these wires and tape them together. Also put all these wires with connectors in a case and secure it to the tail of your Honda. Next, you need to put the brake signal in place. Simply place the left part and slowly pull the right part into place. It is not difficult to do, just carefully. You can also simply replace the turn signal lenses if needed. You don't need to replace the entire turn signal, and this part is also sold on Amazon. I will leave the link to the lenses below this video. Now, to assemble the rear brake signal back, you need to screw on the central black bolt, and also two other bolts located below on the sides. To finish your work, you need to put the license plate in place. To do this, screw the 4 bolts into place on the bottom of the tail of your motorcycle. I believe that all the work will not take you much time, and you will be able to finish everything faster than in an hour. Now you only have the fun part. You need to turn on the ignition of your Honda and check if your job was done well. As you can see, everything works, and I didn't even doubt it, because I put everything back together and checked the turn signals at the end of the replacement. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video was useful for you. Like and subscribe for this work from you. And if you've watched this video to the end, you'll get a 5% discount on turn signals or turn signal replacement lenses for your Honda if you buy them from the link below the video. Don't forget to tick the discount coupon and you'll save a few bucks. Thank you and see you soon.